Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Let Me Guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys how to flip any video in Adobe Premiere. So, let's start. Select your picture to your timeline. Now, go to Effect, search bar and search for flip. There are two types of flip, horizontal flip and vertical flip. I will tell you about both. Firstly, horizontal flip. Drag it to your picture on timeline and see the result. Now, select a new picture for vertical flip. Then drag the vertical flip to timeline and see the results. And it's done. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel Let Me Guide. That would be much appreciated. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching.